Here's a 2015 Honda Accord Coupe. Year after year, the Accord is showered with awards and praise. Take a look, and it's easy to see why. Drive it, and you'll know why. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, wireless phone connectivity, dual-zone climate control, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. This from Kelley Blue Book. The Accord is synonymous with Honda and has been known for nearly 4 decades as a reliable, comfortable, pragmatic way to move families. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.